Hey, it's Becky from Patchwork Posse and Patchworkers Plus, my online quilt group membership, where you can come sew along with me and other members our year-long block of the month, our fall mystery quilt. We have guest designers, swaps, and sew days throughout the month. Check the link in the description for your personal invitation to join me. Today, we are going to be opening up a surprise box from Jenny Doan Missouiri Star Christmas Quilt Box. So I've got another video that you can check out what's inside as far as when you open the box. Today we are going to be unwrapping one of the days and see what's inside. I love surprises, so this is going to be a lot of fun. All right, let's take a look at 6. We are on day 6. Oh, here's a 9. Don't confuse it with a 6. Oh, I think it was, yeah, I was going to say, I think it was this long one that I kept on touching all the time. All right, day 6. Here we go. This wrapping paper is so cute. Look at this one's got the Missouiri Star duck on it. Ah, so funny. What's it going to be? I feel ridges. Oh, yes. Do you know what this is? This is, oh, this is really pretty. This is a holder for rulers. So it goes on your table. And the slots you can put your rulers in. Let's see if I've got my ruler right here. So you just stand your ruler on it and it sits on your table. I love these. This is a nice size as well. So this has 2 little dowels here to put into the holes. I'm assuming that's to hold thread. So those are probably where you hold a thread, a spool of thread, or maybe even your bobbins. So you could line your bobbins up. And then where the dowels are is a little, it's, you know, carved out. So it would be a good place to just put little pins and stuff like that in there. So, but the bottom is beautiful. So there's measurings, inches on each side with the wood kind of burnt or scorched quilt block designs. This is really pretty. That's very nice. I like this one a lot. I'm going to use this one for sure, for sure.